structure inside. Don't get bloody, cut towards your buddy. All right, so if I open it up, you guys can see it's very dense. But very quickly, the tubes that lead into your lungs branch into really small pieces, very, very quickly, because you want all that air to get into the alveoli so you can have gas exchange. That's the whole purpose. So you can see that there's some tubes inside of there. You can see these are probably the smaller ones, the bronchioles. Yep, and we'll look at a couple of the structures on these models right here, but that's kind of what the inside looks like. These are substantial enough organs that they are actually consumable. So it sounds weird for us to see, hear about them being in sausage or whatever, but it's meat. It actually crisps up really well. Mm-hmm. Now that's on film. Okay. So let's cut down the posterior portion of the trachea. And what's not on this, but what is on some of the other lungs, is this piece right here, if you guys can see it. This is the larynx, and the larynx is where your voice box is, it's where your epiglottis is, it's where the trachea diverts from the esophagus. It's a very, very muscular region. So the trachea goes down and it has to split into a right and left bronchus, but you have some accessory bronchioles. Do you guys see the little, hole right there branching off of the trachea? Mm-hmm. Yeah, kind of neat. So that's a little accessory that's coming up to probably this lobe up here. And let me do one more little down the right and the left. All right, fluid dynamics and what's aerodynamics? What's aerodynamics? Is it easier for us to split a current of air or water if we have a flat surface for it to hit and divert, or if we have something like the keel of a boat, like a knife edge?
That's easy.
A knife edge is easier. So you can actually see that design at the division point between your right and left bronchus. Do you guys see that little ridge right there? That's, I don't think it's on your terms list. It's called the carina, and that's like
that's very separate.
Latin? It's Latin for keel, like the keel in a sailboat. So that's the knife edge. That helps separate the air into the right side and the left side, so there's no turbulence built up right there. That's for maximum effectiveness. And then from here, if I cut down further, you would see immediately there's a whole bunch of primary, secondary bronchi coming off of this is called a primary bronchus that I cut into. So you can see how quickly it starts to split. Okay, all of that being said, I wanted to show you guys on this because it's cool. I'm not going to have a pig pluck out there. I'm going to ask you these questions on a model where we can actually see it. And you don't have to have your face this close. Any questions about the pig pluck?